thousands in attendance, and the millions watching around the world on YouTube. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Bukan. Bukan.
Sekali.
Dia betul. Itu apa yang
Grand.
Siapa kunjang?
Grand. I know it's side enye impahla kanje and then sagcina upload problems ngiyakhumbula now. So let's just take it back as if asikaze siyenze because abanye abantu abayibonayo.
Okay, are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would like for you to introduce it from the ID.
From ID.
From
Okay.
ID like screen.
Okay, I know. Teta no Violet dealer. Asamthatha.
Yeah. So ubuhle uqhamuka up.
Second name. Igama elaziwa ngabani? Igama elibizwa ngalo.
Where?
Yonke indawo.
Mina ngazi udila or uvuyo.
Because kwi-boxing zisenza udila, so that's why nisazi udila. But kwi-space sasesikolweni akekho umuntu owazi udila okanye uvuyo lwethu.
So uqhamuka kubuhle.
Igama lam, ligama lam.
ID.
Ligama lam, bra. Igama lam. Sibambe apho qha.
Right. Ngathi sazi uvuyo or udila. Is it
I didn't get that. Huh?
Udila u-L1 or by2?
One.
Oh, ngifaka two different posts.
Hayi, uyi-one.
Even on the number, seveze udila ibhalile.
Abantu abaninzi bafaka u-double L. Noma uyi-one.
Oh, okay. So, can you do a background check?
Background check.
Yeah.
I don't care.
How do you start? Okay, kanjani awukhona.
I didn't get that.
Background check. How did you start a boxing and kanjani awukho?
Okay, no. I think I said it before, but boxing is a family thing. It's not a matter of me being interested in boxing or anything like that. I was just, by ekhaya kudlala boxing, so I am forced to do boxing. Actually, I was forced to it. I was never interested in doing boxing. That was back in 2009. So Coach was my uncle, so that's why I became a boxer. Because the gym had in ekhaya.
Do you have any siblings?
I do.
And Baba?
Yeah, everyone in ekhaya box.
But how come you only know when?
They're still young.
Oh, okay.
You can't have
I saw ukuthi I don't know noma it's an older brother or umncane, but onokumpost.
So I post a lot of people, so I wouldn't know.
No, it's like ubrother wakho or something.
He's younger than me.
Huh?
He's younger.
Kuyaposta like.
He used to, but into rugby now.
Oh, okay. Okay. So, can you take us through the journey of being a Eastern Cape? Yeah?
Being a what?
Of being a Eastern Cape champion, like the whole journey.
Ah,
But
for me, I've not been an Eastern Cape champion for it as a lead. I've just been an Eastern Cape champion for like how many years? Maybe 2 years or 3 years. 3 times or 2 times Eastern Cape champion because most of the time I don't play Eastern Capes. So yeah,
eh?
I
You
don't
just
play Eastern Capes all the time. Maybe it's 3 times or 2 times.
so how comes sikubona kwama essays?
It's a tricky thing, man. Sometimes I go to Eastern Capes and then they don't want to fight me. Sometimes I don't go to Eastern Cape, I just go to essays. So that's why.
Or by World Card?
No, I just go. I've never been a wild card. I go the champion.
Yeah, because phela Eastern Cape kunama clubs amaningi.
Mm.
So when I'll compete, you just go.
Okokuqala must kukhona regional games. Regional games, and really at all regional games where I do not have opponents. And then provincials, sometimes they do not want to fight me. But sometimes I fight. Njengoba ngisetsho uba I've been an Eastern Cape champion maybe 2 times. 2018 and 2021. Yeah, 2 times.
So 2017, 2016.
2016, 2016, I was not an Eastern Cape champion. I didn't go to essays. I lost on the finals. 2017, I fought Joko and then I lost on finals, but I went to essays. 2019, I got a shoulder dislocation on finals. I didn't go to essays. Took a break. Then 2021, I came back. I was Eastern Cape champion.
Oh, because mina ngaqala ukwazi 2018
Not 2017.
and I mean 2017 and then 2018 the second team USA. Yeah, ngaqala ukwazi lapho mina. Actually ngaqala ukwazi 2018 sesisethimini. And I don't remember the selection.
Okay.
And I'm pretty sure now on Kombodo.
Kumleti mina ka.
Exactly. So like, how was it for first time being a SM champion?
First time being an Eastern champion was 2017. I was doing it debut young nationals because I've always had weight and so I couldn't go to nationals. So when I went to the nationals, I was playing under 51 kgs. So 51, 51, no, 51.
Alright.
I was fighting under 51 kgs, and then it was just a normal thing for me. I didn't fold on the big stages. I just went there like I was used to it. I did my thing, became best bout and gold medalist. Then I qualified straight to Team SA, youth Team SA.
Yeah.
It was great, and because I had to miss my metric ball for the nationals, I had to make it count.
At least when I took it's larger than so 2018 on SAs. But got matric.
2017. I was in matric in 2017.
Damn. Umdala dealer, ne? Nagag.
I can't disclose my age on social media.
Okay. 2000 got or
I,
90s.
I'm not going to answer that.
Eh?
I'm not going to answer that.
How? Come on. I didn't.
Bayabuza bathi ngaphi kanti. I'm not going to disclose the age I'm on social media. I'm not going to disclose the age on social media. I'm old enough.
The age group gay.
Early 20s.
Okay. And then how did you become the SA champion 2019? 2020?
2020.
Yeah.
2020.
Yeah.
2020, there were no essays. There were no essays in 2020.
2021.
Yeah. 2021, I had to drop weight. In fact, I did not drop weight. Umzimba wami ovele wazehlela nje because I had like family issues. So I dropped to 45 kgs. I was like 45, from 51 to 45. And then I had to fight under 48 kgs for the first time in my life. And yeah, there were talks that I dropped weight because I was scared of certain people, of which that was not the case.
Yeah.
I went to Eastern Capes to fight under 51, but I was too underweight. I was 45, so I couldn't fight under 51 kgs. So I had to change the weight and go to 48. So yeah, people were talking a lot, man, that I was scared of opponents from KZN. Excuse me, I'm not gonna call out names. Opponents from KZN and other people. I'm like, no, I'm not scared of anyone in my weight category. It's just that umzimba mncinci, and I can't go to 51 and 45. So I had to change the weight. And then I went to essays for 48 kg. Still, I was underweight. I became a champion because I played against KZN. I won. And then the finals, I played against Eastern Cape. I won again. Then we went to round robin. When we went to round robin, my weight dropped to 43 because we were training. My weight dropped to 43. I was disqualified. But they gave me a chance to eat up the weight here. I had to eat to get to 45 because the weight category starts from 48.
Yeah.
Why should I call people? Bafuna ndibize amagama abantu.
Okay. So come around opens, I wasn't there, so I don't know what was happening. And nabantu abakhona la be-life abazi. So can you take us through the journey around opens?
Okay, so basically we round robin, each province izisa ii-medalists zayo the previous year kwi-essays. And then you get to fight everyone who's in your weight category. They also get a chance to bring abantu that were not in the essays as the wild cards. People ababathembayo they might make the team. So kweyam category, I think we were about, I had Western Cape, Eastern Cape. Did I have Cape? No. That's by 3 weight category selection. So there were also boys from Western Cape, Uplakis from Eastern Cape. So
Yeah.
they calculate points per annum. If you win your knockouts, if you win your knockout, it's 5 points. If you win your points, it's 3 points. So I won against 2 sub boys. I won against 200. That's how I made the team.
Oh, because the first time I got around roping when it was 2021, I think.
2020.
Nah, I didn't go 2020.
Mm-hmm.
I think I got out I think 2021 or 2022. Nah, 2022 or February.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Those were the round robins I went to.
Glad. But Kona Abakon, I think 2021.
azange ndiye kuzo.
Oh, okay. Oh, nisho la 2022 ngoFebruary la kwaba khona i-SA champion. And you've been a team like kwenzakalani?
Sikhulele kuye sanapho, sikhulele kuye.
Been a team since 2022.
Yeah.
And my team.
No, it was a contract kaloku. It was Vision 2024. So i-contract iqala 2022. Izophela ngoDecember this year. After Zone 4 games. Because we have Zone 4 games go 7 December until 14 December in Mozambique. So after those games, team will be terminated. Ne? But under i-rules ezithile nakhona, they have to decide bazokwenza njani, because we are not included in our provinces with teams around robin. So they will have to decide babenza njani ngathi. Either we go there to defend or they take us back to our provinces. So nangoku le team izoselectwa next year ngoFebruary, early next year. Izoba ngo-2024 to 2028. People who are in the team must maintain until 2028.
Oh, man, I thought maybe the team maybe for 2 years and then catch and then after 2 years, catch
No, benza vision. If it's vision 2028, you start from that year until the year bebethe bazoyikhupha ngayo. Unless you do not perform, they have a right to terminate the contract if you do not perform.
Wait, there's a post engiyibonile I think on Facebook. Ikhuluma ngama Olympics. That there won't be Olympics 2028. Is it true?
That there won't be. There are still talks. There are still talks.
For boxing.
Yeah, there are still talks on that because khona abantu abayopposayo, khona abantu abathi there should be Olympics. So it has not been finalized. And yes, but yeah, I'm not much interested in going to the Olympics because I think it's not on my bucket list, man.
So you're planning to turn pro?
No. I'm not turning pro.
Are you fully pro, no?
No.
Huh? Why?
No.
Why?
Female professional boxing in South Africa is not too good. Or at least now, I don't know any female who's made it to the top of South Africa. So I can't just start it and then be stranded. There are pros now. I've not made it par yet.
Okay. But we have a primary and be the first.
Not now, okay, at least.
Because I believe you're the first. Emantombazaneni osehlale like for 4 years it's in.
I can't be the first one who does. Oh, Matiba. Matiba has been in the team since 2018.
Yeah, I think yeah, shows like you're one of the first.
Yeah.
Ever since.
Yeah.
So you can turn pro and be the first to be world class.
I think if focus for now is just to become an African champion at least, because I thought this time around I was going to become an African champion, but then I was denied an opportunity. So I can't just jump to be pro and be an African champion.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
from like for Lababangas, be
Sambe nge-14. But it was 2 weeks. It was a 2 weeks competition.
I think we had last week Monday or this week Monday.
This week. So Payana, we were 5 in my division. I got a bye to semifinals. So I had to fight in Morocco on semifinals, and then Congo on finals.
Bigo became because Tina, we only knew about Amayu. And then
Youth is December with the camping. We were the first to arrive in the camp. When we were leaving, they were arriving in the campsite.
Yeah, like Tina, we only knew about Amayu. ukuthi wona ahambayo then chiki ngakubona wena like you posting ukuthi uyajima out of weight and then remember ukuthi ngakubuza ujimelani like kune-fight and then washo
I don't know that one, but mna bengingazileyi ukuthi bengisaze yami.
oh, okay.
So yeah, this can be a story.
But usually if khona i-team ehambayo akekho ngazi ukuthi khona i-team ehambayo.
Oh, mna andiyazi ingxaki. I'm not responsible for alerting people that there's a team that's going. Mna kwami is just to train. And then it's for Sanabo to market in the fight. But unfortunately, it be slow in the Facebook page. I think they had problems with the Facebook page because they've not been posting the Facebook page until we came back. That's when they started posting.
Oh, okay. Maybe
So
that's
yeah?
maybe that's why.
Yeah.
Yeah. So take us through event like what happened after shooting. Khoshwa Field.
Hi, it's so very. So at Congo, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So at Congo, we were fighting at division.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got a back to semi-finals. Fighting semi-finals. It was Wednesday when I was fighting. I fought tomorrow in finals. I don't even know the lie. I thought I had won the fight. But yeah, unfortunately, the judges won otherwise. But club fight, if you have a chance, you can go watch it and then you'll be the judge of the fight.
Do you have a link?
Club fight, we were sabotaged by referee. I will share the link. We were sabotaged by referee because the referee was not like cautioning the opponent. Instead, they were cautioning him. I was like, I'm the one who's being pressed down. But he kept on saying head up. And then I lost the fight.
Oh, ngabona
And
ama
I lost-
highlights. Ngabona ama
Yeah.
highlights le ntombazane le yayi-rough. Okay, yeah.
So I lost the fight on a split decision.
So you only fought once.
Yeah, another semi-finals, and then I was out of the competition.
Oh, okay. Like buhambe noba.
It was a team of 5, but we ended up 4 because of his indecisive along the way. It was me, Matiba, Lucizi, John Masamba, Nongube from KZN. And then Udusis could not participate because of his news in it that I cannot disclose.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Tina Soy 4 that way we came back with medals, and then Udron became another category.
So Umatiba and Umesh.
They came back with Uncube fought on quarterfinals against Kenya.
Yeah.
She won the knockout second round. Then we were semi-finals. She fought Morocco. She lost against Morocco on points. Umatiba fought against Morocco, and then she was stopped in the first round.
Kopi semi-finals or quarter.
Same.
So actually Nok and Buye nama bronze.
3 of us, and then John gold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, I wanna get so John, but I'm totally.
It's hard to get that guy. It's hard to reach him.
Angazi why. But in a main thing uyangithola. Angazi njengoba yini leyo nto. But how is Congo nje like in general? Sikaze see like.
That's fine. The 5 by 4. See, now who are used to conditions in South Africa, it was bad. It was really bad for us. But okay, you get to adjust because there are people who are training in those conditions. Bazodlala nani bani bet. So you have to adjust kuyo yonke indawo yakuyo. We were just adjusting because the food was not it. The environment, Liana was not it. But okay, some settings.
Yeah, vele phela if you're going outside the country ukudla hlezi ngekho right. I think i-SA inokudla okumnandi out of yonke indawo.
It's not even in Africa and ndicinga uba kwi-world yonke because we've been outside the continent. Akho nto itheni ukutya kwakhona go right.
Yeah, because I remember siseTurkey,
That's so good.
it was even easy to drop weight because umuntu ayingadli wayedla ama-grapes. So
Usibo ukhona kule live you can witness. He was weighing 63.
because mina ngafika first day sifika I was 60 kg, imagine. But
Dla 57.
now 57, I was able to drop to 50, to 56. Same day.
Chi.
So like ukudla kwalaphana akukho right.
Uthini Sibo? Uyazi kungenzeka nabo batsho kanjalo ngokutya kwalapha. There's no way because when they came here for iMandela Cup babeziphinda benqandwa phaa ekitchen besilwa ukutya eDurban. There's no way bangatsho kanjalo.
Okay. Can you play a game?
Yeah.
One must go. You know it.
Uthini?
One must go.
Okay, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's just a game. Nothing much. Just a game.
It's okay.
Umbuzi or uzikhona.
But who's gone? Umayori?
Yeah, I think mazi ngozikhona mina.
Umbuzo wayizikona.
Beninayo ku-Team SA.
Oh, okay. One must go.
No, uChabi.
Okay, I know ndiyambona.
Yeah.
Ndiyambona. I hope people know that this is just a game, okay? One must go. Ekuhlekisayo ndiyazi Sibo. Okay, Umbuzi must go.
So zikhona must stay.
Yeah.
Angazi bayaphi but yeah.
Kubani?
Usbo and Liko.
Yo, hayi, that one, hayi bayekho. Bayekho. Ingxaki, you are putting me in a corner of people who played i-roles ezingafani. Kubani uzondibamba kwi-sparring? I-roles ezingafani empilweni yami.
Yeah.
I can't choose between those two people. I can't really choose between those two people.
A game.
I can't nyani.
Mhlampe angazi kuwena ungaya ngepersonality ungaya boxing wise like
ingxaki ne yilento ba I've known uLikho for quite some time. We've been friends since 2011. We've been friends nje as a boxing. And then I've met Usbo in 2019 and then we started being friends in 2019 and then we've been helping each other grow in sports and in life in general. So I can't really choose go away to Uliko ichomi yam. Usbo is more of a brother because he's someone who's been like there for me. That's decent go and then guess ngekho related with boxing sendikho nje. I would literally call him say fundini kwenzeka 1 2 3 1 2 3. So andikwazi ukuchuza abantu by two. They do not play iiphazi zifanayo andikwazi.
ke point just
Zabe ndiyasabotage. Zabe ndiyasabotage if I choose between those.
kubamba kwe-sparring
hayi nguye andimazi ngubani uzalibamba kwisparing.
Okay. Sodlula, sobuye ngabe ucabanga. Ucafu or Sevenat?
Ucafu okanye Sevenathi. I'll say Cafu. Yeah?
Cafu must go.
I know Sive must go, Cafu must stay.
Ulahle champion yethu.
Andimlahle, I've seen uCafu. It's like uSivenathi andimbonanga egrind, like I didn't see him. uCafu ndimbonile, he started from the bottom. I've known him engekabi champion. Like ndiyambona egrind, his hard work, yonke laa nto until kule ndawo kuyo ngoku.
Nike na sherish gym.
Not really, but I've seen him go next. Bendilandela icareer yakhe okoko eqalile.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So Matikinga or Khuzwayo?
Matikinga andimazi uKhuzwayo.
Khuzwayo must go.
Yeah, Khuzwayo must go, Tisatsa must stay.
Okay. Umoyise or Matikinga?
Matikinga must stay.
Uba intombazane khona. Sbo, if ukhona ngipha amantombazane.
Hey, awusiboza ayizathrikike le nto.
Yeah, but I very finally be trick. Just like Usbo and Roleko.
Andiyifuni laa khombo. Nocuba ngani ngamfaki. Nanko ke mfaka. Nanko efaka ucwele nje bangamfaka ucwele.
Xa ngengozi.
Ucwele nganombuzi. Should I answer that? Come on, bam. Ucwele nganombuzi. Umbuzi must go, ucwele must stay.
Awumthanda umbuzi, eh?
Ayikho njalo. It's just that you make me choose between.
Ucwele
Yabo.
ngomthombo.
Ucwele ngantom. Tom must go, ucwele must stay.
Okay, uTom nombuzi.
Yabona uzandigxothisa ndihlala kwaTom, apho uTom uthi uzandikhupha endlini yakhe ngoku.
So uTom nombuzi.
Tom nombuzi. uTom must go, umbuzi must stay. Nizandigxothisa, ndizawulala phandle.
Okay, like for today, I think Sesqedile we've covered because bengifuna ukwazi about iCongo actually. I think we've covered the Congo unless khona ufuna ukusho and khona banama questions on kuyona le life.
Unless bakhona many questions, I have nothing to say.
Oh, like do you have a message for the youngins?
No, I do not have. I'm not a champion. I can't share anything with them. I'm not a champion.
But you've been SA champion. Khona abantu ababukela kuwena.
I'm a former SA champion, yo.
Still khona abantu ababukela kuwena, like do you have anything ongayisho kubona?
I don't really have words of wisdom. Andikwazi umotivate umuntu uba uyafuna ukuwina makahlale ejimini ka. Akhona ngiyayithetha honestly. But for people who are going to round robin, sizadibana bakwe round robin akukho nto itheni. There have been talks. There are people who are calling our names because like they feel like they are more suitable for as positions zethu ukuthi message. We're gonna be there. We're gonna be there. They're gonna fight us indlela yongena ukuthi message lapha kuthi.
Yeah. So Mile Rock.
Akhona ndithetha ka indlela yawo izawunqumla lapha kum.
Which ways? What is?
Hayi sobona ngabo.
Ngisho
Ngiready
wena. 48 or 51.
50.
Why not 48? Because on your social media, who dealer 48 kg.
Nah. I've outgrown 48 ndimdala ngoku. Like they are struggling to men's 48, so I'll be trialing with 50.
All right. So after
Alright.
everything, like boxing wise, ufuna ukukhunjulwa as umuntu onjani? After
Why
everything, after everything nje, like suqedile yonke into.
do I have to be remembered though?
Like if uThixo sekubiza, like what do you wanna be remembered as?
Hey. Trigger umbuzo wakho. Ngaba ndifuna ukukhunjulwa. Nantsi ingxaki.
Why?
Because why?
Like ama-champion kufanele siwakhumbule. Abantu esibukela kubona like kumele sibakhumbule.
Andiyazi uba ndizawukhunjulwa kanjani. Umuntu uza ngeli hlobo andibona ngalo, eli hlobo azandikhumbula ngalo yena.
So
Because honestly, I can't say I want to be remembered as umuntu hardworking okanye umuntu humble, because kwabanye abantu I am not humble. They do not see me as umuntu humble. Kwabanye abantu ababona umuntu hardworking so it depends uba umuntu undibona njengomntu onjani yena. Uzandikhumbula ngale ndlela ndibona ndingayo.
yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Ulalela muphi umculo?
I do not have a specific genre. Uyimbewu embi. It's your time to shine. Ndenzeni mna. I do not have a specific genre endimamela yona. Ingoma imnandi, I just listen.
Uya ngengoma or unabantu abalalelayo?
Ndiya ngengoma. Andinamntu endimamelayo endinoqonda uba ndijonge kuyo. But obviously ndinazo iingoma endibona uba ndiyazithanda, they close to my heart.
Yeah. All right. So uyamazi uPastor Enigma? Bani Enigma? Yeah.
Ndiyamazi.
Eh?
Ndiyamazi.
Uphila kanjani bethi Jimmy? Ukuye ejimini namadimoni?
Hayi ke asiyazi thina sifika senze into zasethi nezimpa ejimini, sifika sijime qha. So if yena andifuni ukuthi uyaxoka or anything, because uthi yena uthunywa nguThixo, so I can't talk against him. Le nto ayibhiliva yiyo, mna I'll stick on what I believe in. Ndiyajima qha, akho nto esethi nezimpa kwamfika ejimini. So kukuye ukuba yena wenza ntoni ejimini. And thina sinxiba ithayiti ejimini, thina sinxiba iplastiki, sinxiba iimpahla ezishushu, so akho madimoni kwiboxing.
But uthi once wangena ejimini wavala isicapha.
Angenile amadimoni. Hayi ke yakhe ke le ibhiliva ndiyazi.
Because niyagqoka ama-tights.
Obani?
Ejimini. Ejimini.
Lapha kuwiphaza sinxiba i-tracksuit, sinxiba shushu uthini?
So akekho ogqoke i-tight kunini?
Nditsho namantombi wethu anxiba ithayithi.
Why?
Andiyazi, ngabantu abahlali bedrop iweight, sixakekile.
Ungadlali nge-weight okuyona kunokuthi ulokhu udrop.
I'm too short because I rest at 56, so uzodlala njani ngo-57 ndingaka.
Lowo mbuzo mina uthi why uhlezi ustrugglisha ngokudrop i-weight ungadlali nge-weight okuyona, yini uyasaba yini?
Hayi, if mna first of all if I would fight 57, that means I would have vision. I'm the smallest 48 kgs in the world, and then tell me if I go to 57, that means I didn't have vision.
Ngamaphara.
Angamaphara nyhani oozingisa, ngamaphara.
You're right. Ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho. Ngiyazi ukuthi niyabhala njengamanje. Vele kuhamba kanjani ama-exams? Umutile.
Bengena ikhola ngibona ngifone live.
Hamba kanjani ama-exams?
Azikaqali ezami exams. Azikaqali. I'll be starting next week. So hectic nje siyafunda.
Oh, right. Bengithi ngiyakuphazamisa phela cause ngalezi ikhathi zokufunda. So, why lokhu uyimute?
Kungena ikhola futhi ndiyazi bayisuka kubani.
Oh, maybe i-parent Gemini.
Ndifuna ndingadisclose igama layo ku-social media. Ngondifonele.
All right, ngiyabonga Dila. Isikolo. Bekanjani vele lelo gama esikolo?
Hayi. Uba ungumuntu oyibukelayo iboxing yami okanye elandela i-career boxing you know uba lize njani elo gama.
Angikwazi mina.
Awundazi.
Angikwazi.
Ingxaki yoku andikwazi ulicacisa nami because eli gama I think ndalifumana 2018 kwi-National Games. So ndinikwe ngabantu that watch my boxing. Mna andizazi ingxaki nami.
Yeah. Hayi nami angikwazi ngiyaqala nokukubona nje.
Hayi ke.
So that's why ukule live because ngifuna ukwazi ngawo ukuthi like ubani uDila.
Oh hayi ke. Benilishwa ke.
So akekho umuntu ongasichazela like ukuthi qhamukaphi.
Yo hayi andiqondi uba ukhona umuntu olaziyo uba livelaphi okanye mhlawumbi ithini meaning behind lona andiqondi uba ukhona umuntu olaziyo because alaziwa ndim umnikazi walo.
Kanti uba wakuphi?
Yo andifuna ubiza amagama abantu ingxaki yam social media ngumuntu omdala yabo ku-Team Eastern Cape 2018 when we went to Limpopo for i-National Games. I fought against umntana wase-Western Cape but she's no longer a boxer ngoku. Baligama kusibongile Matiwana, I fought against that person. She was good, ne? She was known ba good, and then I fought her.
Mfaka esikoleni.
Mfaka esikoleni.
Okay, now I know.
Yeah.
So like welcome mfaka esikoleni.
Yeah, bathatha notes. So I had to fight umntana wase-KZN kwi-finals. I think uQimlili igama like something like that. And then akafuna dlana.
Odla noQimlili.
51 kgs angafuna to dlana.
No manje maybe it's like ulako 60 66 65
because akasabhoxi kaloku because no anele abantu ndibhoxa nabo benza o70 mos ngoku.
You've been in the game. Abanye abantwana abaneyingane manje.
Hayi siyabalenca silenca kubo.
Eza nini yakho?
Andinamali mina. Makahlale le ndawo kuyo umntanam. Mali ayikho.
Imali engekho.
Imali ekhoyo. Uba nemali kwami nizobona ngami.
Ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho. Izobona.
Thanks for having me.
I don't know. Soon.
Okay.
Yes. Huh?
Uthini?
Ngithi ngiyabonga for isikhathi manje. Izobonana soon angazi nini but soon.
Okay.
Or sobona ku-TV.
Zawuba ngawo.
or sokubona kwi-TV because nama-superstar.
Hayi asazi.
All right, ngiyabonga mfethu.
Okay, sure.